Hey guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to our latest video. So here we are at my exhibition at Butter Gallery in Collingwood, Ontario. Let me take you in and show you what we have going on. Yeah, this one here actually was one from a recent video. So this is a 60 by 60. When I made the video on this, I explained how the light was super important, how the frame would be really important in really holding this piece together. So as you can see, the way we hung this wall with these three individual paintings, we tried to balance things out, make sure the colors were just right, to make sure that the paintings don't take away from each other. And then as I was saying, the frames are also super important, just to separate them from the wall and make them pop.